Prologika designed a Power BI-based solution for a Fortune 50 organization to consolidate data sources and customer service reports and make them available on mobile devices. This large organization wanted to strengthen its value and growth by redesigning its current processes, improving business flexibility, time to market, innovation, and customer experience. Management needed a mobile solution for reviewing team operational statistics. At the same time, security and service requirements dictated that the company's data must remain on premises. Prologika implemented a Power BI hybrid solution. The user logs into Power BI and runs a report or dashboard. The Power BI service uses the Azure Secure Service Bus relay mechanism that doesn't require any changes to the existing network infrastructure, such as opening firewall ports. The request is then forwarded to the Power BI Enterprise Gateway, which is installed on premises. The gateway sends the query to analysis services, passing the user identity so that the user can view only the data he's authorized to access. Now managers can access their data anytime and on any device. They use the Power BI mobile apps to view insightful Power BI dashboards on tablets and smartphones. Dashboards combine data from multiple reports and data sets. Users can click a visualization to examine its data in more detail, and they can drill down from dashboards to the underlying reports. Power BI brought the agility of the cloud to this large organization and started a path of transformation for data analytics. Contact us today to learn how Prologika and Power BI can transform your business and help you make sense of data.